Hi, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk as a calisthenics athlete. I know a lot about this topic because 2 years ago, I decided to start bulking with training calisthenics, and it was the best decision that I ever made. I was really scared of losing my strength to my body weight, of looking fat, bloated and stuff like this. But in those 2 years, I created this bulletproof workout plan and diet plan and everything you need to bulk and gain strength, maintain your strength to body weight, look more aesthetic, and all of these different things, whilst also maintaining your skills such as the planche and front lever. For this video, I did a bit of research and also searched in my gallery to find old pictures of my scale. Like, I used to take pictures of my weight almost like every month and stuff like that, and I realized that I bulked up or gained 25 kilograms. That's 55 pounds of lean muscle in 5 years, which is like the time that I work out. 13 kilograms or 29 pounds in 2 years, which is really good. And when I really decided to bulk up and get huge as hell with calisthenics and street lifting, I bulked up 7 kilograms of lean muscle in 6 months. That's why if you've been a fan of my YouTube channel and you watch my older videos, now I look a lot bigger because I literally gained 7 kilograms without getting any taller. I'm also going to teach you 5 of my favorite recipes that I've been using literally for years to bulk up and get my protein in and stuff like that, and are also really delicious. And these recipes don't make you look fat or bloated or sick. Now, why do you want to bulk with calisthenics? I wanted to bulk for aesthetics. Because if you are a skinny little guy and nobody can even tell that you work out, yeah, that's pretty weird. And it also makes you stronger because there is a big difference between being able to do a full planche at 50 kilograms body weight and being able to do the full planche at 80 kilograms body weight. That's a big difference. Or there is a difference between being able to dip 100% of your body weight when you are 50 kilograms and also when you are 80 kilograms. Now, let's get straight into it. The first thing we are going to touch on is your actual workouts. So when you are going to go and hit your workout, the first thing that you want to really grind on, because you don't want to lose your strength on those, are the static skills, like the planche and front lever, back lever, all of these different things. Handstand, push-up, just things that you do with your own body weight, muscle-ups and stuff like that. And the second thing you do is then you do the weighted calisthenics. Because the exercise that you start your workout with is the exercise that you are going to be able to get the most strength at. Because then the exercises after that, you are a bit mentally burned out. Not even your muscles, but your central nervous system, CNS is called like that. It's already exhausted. Your muscles might feel fine. You are going to do planche and then you start doing muscle ups. Your back feels fine, but you are mentally exhausted from doing like half an hour of planche push-ups, pseudo planche push-ups, and all of these different exercises. Now, the biggest thing in bulking isn't eating more and more food. That's a part of it, but optimizing protein muscle synthesis is way more important. If you're asking what is protein muscle synthesis is the protein from your food going into your muscles. Now I'm going to give you a bit of a quiz. Which is better? Eating 2 meals a day, 100 grams of protein each, or eating 6 meals a day, 20 grams of protein each. So in the first scenario, you eat 200 grams of protein, and in the second one, you eat only 120 grams. You are probably going to think that situation A, you are going to gain more muscle because you ate more protein, but no, in the first one. So it is eating as many meals as possible during the day. Not like 12 meals a day, but if you are eating 2 or 3 meals, without snacking, of course, we are going to try to eat as like 6 meals a day. So you wake up in the morning, you eat a meal. Then you go to school, whilst being in school you eat something. Then on lunch you eat something at like 12 o'clock. Then you come home, you eat a meal. Then before you go and work out, you have a pre-workout meal, and then after working out, you have a big post-workout meal. 6 meals, easy. That's way more important than cramming 200 grams of protein into your mouth at the end of the day. Now I'm going to tell you a couple of my recipes that I personally used from like the beginning of working out. This is Anabolic protein pancakes. I used to make this in like 2001, which is like 4 years ago. 4 years. I've been eating this meal for 4 years and I've been eating it almost every single day and I never get bored of it. It is Anabolic pancakes and I think I made a YouTube video about these and it's going to be the first link in the description. For most of these I didn't make a tutorial, but for this one I did because it's my favorite meal. Now, Anabolic protein ice cream also. It is ice cream from eggs. You're probably like, oh, ice cream from eggs. Ew, am I going to get salmonella? No, you are not. It is my favorite pre-workout summer snack when it's hot outside. I just want to go out into the sun and chill with a massive bowl of ice cream. And you can even say that this is a cheat meal because it's absolutely delicious, but it's not because it's absolute protein. Then the next thing is going to be ground beef with rice. My brother made this meal yesterday, and you probably don't know my brother. He's a bit like, he can't even hammer a nail. So if he can make this ground beef with rice, you can do it too. The next thing is boiled eggs with ketchup. This is not that delicious of a meal, I can say, but it is like, oh, at the end of the day, I need to get my protein in, or it's really, really quick. You just put eggs into the egg cooker, like they are hard boiled, and then you can literally grab them and pack them with your lunch and go into school like that. Because you wake up in the morning, that's what I do a couple times a week or month. I put the eggs there, I let them cook, I go pack my shit, do the cold shower, go grab the eggs, cool them a little bit, put it into my lunchbox, close it, and that's done. Like 7 eggs, easily pop them through like school breaks in the school. It's super, super easy to gain muscle like that. Now the next one. I eat this almost every single day. I also made a recipe for it. It is going to be the third link in the description because I made a recipe also for the Anabolic protein egg ice cream. That's the second link. Third link is this. It takes around 5 minutes to make. So it's really, really quick and easy. And it has, I don't know, 70 to 80 grams of protein. I don't know. And it is cottage cheese with mascarpone. I don't really know how it's called, but whatever. Those are the links in the description. The boiled eggs with ketchup are easy to make. The ground beef is also really easy to make. Now we are going to talk about your diet in general. It should mostly consist of animal-based diet. You shouldn't be trying to bulk by adding literally teaspoons of sunflower oil into your protein shake. That's what my stupid friend used to do, and he's absolutely weak right now. And bullshit recipes like this. And you, by the way, shouldn't count calories. You shouldn't have like a calorie limit that you want to reach, because this will just make you stressed, like, oh, I didn't reach my calories, now I need to eat like 2 packs of walnuts to get that protein in. No, you just want to try to eat as much meals during the day, and as many of them should be animal-based. So meat, eggs, butter, milk, cheese, stuff like that. And this was the full guide to bulking as a calisthenics athlete. If you like this video, make sure to like, check the videos in the description, those are the recipes. And if you want to see my lifestyle, my training every day and stuff like this, you should follow me on Instagram because I post daily content there. Bye.